This is a CBS 4 News special report.
Good afternoon. I'm Elliot Rodriguez with a CBS 4 News special report on the shooting at Stoneman Douglas Senior High School in Parkland yesterday afternoon. The suspect is making his first court appearance. Let's go to live pictures right now from the Broward County Courthouse, where Nikolas Cruz is appearing before a judge right now. He is about to come out. Now, this is a hearing, a bond court hearing, during which he will appear via closed-circuit TV before the judge, who will explain the charges against them. The judge in this case is County Court Judge Kim Teresa Malika. The Assistant State Attorney is Shari Tate, and the public defender is Melissa McNeil. Now, usually in these cases, the judge will ask the defendant if he can afford a private lawyer. If not, a public defender is appointed. And right now we can see the defendant in this case, 19-year-old Nikolas Cruz, approaching the judge. Let's listen in.
Are you Nikolas Jacob Cruz?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. You are charged with 17 counts of premeditated murder. I have something very important to tell you. You're charged with some very serious crimes. You have the right to remain silent. If you give up that right at any time during this hearing, whatever you say can and will be used against you in the prosecution of this case. State, how would you like to proceed today? Are you seeking to hold the defendant no bond and a finding of proof evident, presumption great?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you may proceed.
Your Honor, the state's relying on the sworn affidavit that the court has been provided as to the 17 counts of first-degree murder and the contents of the sworn affidavit by detectives citing the actions of the defendant in going to Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School on February 14th, 2018, with a premeditated design in that he went loaded with an AR-15 rifle. He had additional ammunition with him and shot 17 individuals. Who later died as a result of the gunshot wounds, and then he fled the scene. So the state is seeking a no bond hold on the defendant.
Okay, defense?
Your Honor, the defense has no arguments at this time and will defer until further court proceedings. We would formally invoke Mr. Cruz's right to remain silent, and that notification relates to any law enforcement agencies that are involved in this case, both at a state and federal level.
Okay, I've reviewed the probable cause affidavit. Mr. Cruz filed in your case, and I find probable cause. I further find the proof of guilt to be evident, or the presumption great. Therefore, Mr. Cruz, you're going to be held without bond until further order of the court. This order is without prejudice for you to file a motion to set bond with your assigned division judge and request a hearing under State v. Arthur. Does anybody know, has he been assigned a division judge yet?
Yes, he has, Your Honor. He's been assigned to Judge Shears.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Sir, you're going to be held no bond. Okay.
Okay, that did not take long at all. You're looking at live pictures from the Broward County Courthouse, where the defendant in this case, Nikolas Cruz, appeared for his first court appearance before the county court judge. Kim Teresa Malika. She explained the charges against them, 17 counts of first-degree murder. The prosecutor said that the state would be seeking no bond, and that's exactly what they got. He is being held without bond pending a further court appearance. I want to let you know that we have a briefing coming up with the Broward Sheriff's Office at 2:30 this afternoon, about half an hour from now. We will carry that live for you and have the very latest on our website, cbsmiami.com. I'm Elliot Rodriguez, and now back to our regular programming.